Coming up, I will discuss why you don't have time at your disposal. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. You will never find time for anything. If you want time, you must make it, said Charles Buxton, an English brewer, philanthropist, and writer. Do you feel like you have time to relax? Do you feel like you are constantly on the run? Does it feel like there's no free time at your disposal? It's essential to prioritize self-care, relaxation, and having fun. There is no more to life than increasing its speed, said Gandhi, an Indian lawyer. It's crucial to recognize the value of taking proactive steps to manage your time effectively, prioritize self-care, and create a healthy balance in life. You can find more opportunities for relaxation. Busy is a choice. Stress is a choice. Joy is a choice. Choose well, said Anne Voskamp, a Canadian author. Luckily, there are some things you can do to find some pockets of time to relax in your life. Here are 15 reasons why you don't have time to relax in your life. Number 1, you have tons of work demands. Managing a heavy workload can be challenging. It can feel overwhelming. When your career is demanding with long work hours and tight deadlines, you have little time for relaxation. Finding ways to manage your time effectively and prioritize your most important task is essential. It would be best if you took care of your well-being by finding a balance between work and relaxation so you don't burn out. Number 2, you feel everything you do has to be perfect. Perfectionism can kill the amount of limited time you have. If you have some imperfections, accept them. Seek excellence, not perfection. You don't have to do incomplete work or even sloppy work. Pick and choose the places where you can do things well, better, and best. Number 3, you have a busy schedule. Your daily schedule may be packed with tons of commitments, ranging from extracurricular activities, meetings, appointments, and errands. You have little time for relaxation. Stretching yourself thin is not good, especially when you're trying to relax. Narrow down your activities to a couple of things that enrich your life but keep things in check. Eliminate activities that exhaust you the most and take up a lot of your physical and mental energy. Number 4, you don't plan your day. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail, said Benjamin Franklin, an American author, scientist, and statesman. A day without a plan can turn into a day of doing things for others instead of yourself. Planning and preparation are crucial to success. Without proper planning, you are most likely to experience difficulties or setbacks. Jot down tasks that must be done today and tomorrow. Proactively organizing and structuring your day will help you maximize productivity and achieve your desired outcome of relaxing more. Number 5, you watch the clock too much. Time is what we want most, but what we use worse, said William Penn, an English Quaker leader and colonist. Counting the seconds, minutes, and hours in your day is unhealthy. If you're constantly looking at the clock, you are using up your time for relaxation. Put your clock somewhere where you don't see it. If you watch time on your phone, put your phone in a drawer. You'll be surprised how much your productivity improves by not watching the clock. Number 6, you have too many family obligations. Balancing family responsibilities such as caring for children, caring for elderly family members, and managing household chores can limit your relaxation time. While family is essential, finding a balance between family obligations and self-care is critical. Number 7, you have a long commute. A long commute to work or school can impact your free time. You have limited opportunities to relax when you have an exhausting commute. While a long commute can be challenging, focusing on making the most of your time with activities that bring you joy and help you relax is critical. Activities such as audiobooks, podcasts, enjoying music, and self-reflection can help you enjoy time alone. Number 8, you have a lot of financial pressure. Money often costs too much, said Ralph Waldo Emerson, an American author. Financial constraints or the need to work a lot can leave you with little time for relaxation. You are trying to make ends meet, and pursuing money can come at a significant cost. Placing too much emphasis on financial gain can lead to sacrifices in other areas of your life, such as your relationships, happiness, and well-being. Consider the impact of money in your life and prioritize things that truly matter. Number 9, you pursue your personal projects or hobbies. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined, said Henry David Thoreau, an American writer. Actively seeking your personal projects is good because you must live a life with purpose and intention. However, don't let these projects consume you so much that you don't have time to relax. Balance the pursuit of your personal aspirations with your well-being. Number 10, you have educational commitments. Education and training can take up a significant part of your time. Studying and completing educational assignments can be a lot. This makes relaxation a lower priority. Embrace your educational commitments because you must be a lifelong learner. However, don't go overboard. Carve out a certain amount of time for your academic responsibilities so you still have time to relax and take care of yourself. Number 11, you have a busy social life. A busy social life with invitations to parties, events, and social gatherings can fill your schedule up quickly. Social engagements leave little time for relaxation. While enjoying a busy social life is essential, ensuring it aligns with your values and well-being is equally important. Strive for meaningful connections that bring you joy rather than filling up your schedule for the sake of being busy socializing. Number 12, you don't book your vacation far enough in advance. Don't feel guilty for taking a vacation. Research says that people who took more than 10 days of vacation had a 30% chance of being awarded a pay raise or bonus. Vacations will give you the rest and relaxation you're looking for because a vacation makes people less stressed, improves your outlook on life, and motivates you to achieve your goals. Your vacation days are racking up at work, so you must put in your vacation request in advance. Last-minute planning of a vacation when the year is almost finished is not a good idea. Act and book your vacations in advance, perhaps even for the next year. Number 13, you get caught up in other people's drama. The gossip mill will always be turning at work. The information isn't helpful for you. It can contribute to a toxic work environment. Step away from the gossip at work and in your personal life. Instead, spend time on yourself and make time for relaxation and rest. It can be easy to get caught up in other people's drama and take away time for me time. Number 14, you wake up late. You will feel stressed for your day when you have a late start. Usually the first things that get cut when you wake up late are rest and relaxation. Make sure you give yourself time to relax by getting a good night's rest, waking up when you were supposed to, and you have a morning routine. When you wake up late, you're trying to catch up for time lost, leading to a lot of stress and aggravation. Number 15, you say yes to everything that comes your way. It can be easy to say yes to everything you encounter because you don't want to miss opportunities. A drive to stay busy, keeping up with the Joneses, and the fear of missing out can leave little time for relaxation. You don't have to say yes to things that come your way. Think twice before saying yes so you have more control of your schedule and free time. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. Almost everything will work if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you, said Anne Lamott, an American novelist. There are many reasons why you don't have time at your disposal and you don't have time to relax in your life. It's essential to assess your priorities, create moments for relaxation, and set boundaries. Thank you for watching. Until next time.